Evolution of computer. Abacus. 4,000 years ago. The history of computer begins with the birth of abacus, which is believed to be the first computer. It is said that Chinese invented abacus around 4,000 years ago. It was a wooden rack which has metal rods with beads mounted on them. The beads were moved by the abacus operator according to some rules to perform arithmetic calculations. Abacus is still used in some countries like China, Russia and Japan. Napier's bones 1617. It was a manually operated calculating device, which was invented by John Napier 1550 to 1617, of Merchiston. In this calculating tool, he used 9 different ivory strips or bones marked with numbers to multiply and divide. So, the tool became known as Napier's bones. It was also the first machine to use the decimal point. PASCALINE 1642. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented a machine called the adding machine. This was the world's first ever mathematical machine. Pascal invented this machine to help his father, a tax accountant. It could only perform addition and subtraction. It was a wooden box with a series of gears and wheels. When a wheel is rotated 1 revolution, it rotates the neighboring wheel. A series of windows is given on the top of the wheels to read the totals. Stepped reckoner 1674. In 1674, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz improved the machine invented by Pascal. With these improvements, the machine was able to perform multiplication and division too. Mechanical loom 1801. A French scientist named Joseph Jacquard invented a mechanical loom using punch card system. Punch card. Punch cards are paper cards where holes may be punched by hand or machine to represent computer data and instructions. They were a widely used means of inputting data into early computers. The cards were fed into a card reader connected to a computer, which converted the sequence of holes to digital information. Difference engine 1822. Charles Babbage started to make his analytical engine using the punch card system concept. This machine was based on the concepts input, process, output and store. Since this concept helped in the development of the computer, Charles Babbage is called the father of computing. Analytical Engine 1837. This calculating machine was also developed by Charles Babbage in 1830. It was a mechanical computer that used punch cards as input. It was capable of solving any mathematical problem and storing information as a permanent memory. Ada Augusta Lovelace. Madame Ada Augusta Lovelace is considered as the first programmer since she tried to write programs for the analytical engine. Mark I, 1944. In the year 1944, a man named Howard Aiken invented the machine called Automatic Sequence Control Calculator at the Harvard University with the assistance of his companions and IBM company. This was named Mark I.